Hi guys, Steph here. As it says on the title to the top there, what we've got for you today is a Conway Stewart number 30 fountain pen set. As you can see, it comes in this Conway Stewart box. So first of all, it's nice to find them with an original vintage Conway Stewart box. Okay. But secondly, it's nice to find them in yes, to find them in the very sought after cracked iced pattern. Now first of all, let's show you this. As you can see, it comes, as I said, in a Conway Stewart box, as it says there. Also comes with instructions, or some instructions, as you can see there, in superb condition. And also you've got the Conway Stewart guarantee to the back, which, well, dating these pens from the late 1940s to sort of 1950s, I doubt that the guarantee would still be valid. So let's pop that to one side. So there we have it. We've got a lovely set within a Conway Stewart box. We've got a pencil and we've got a pen. So let's get the box, pop that to one side. As I said, the beautiful thing about these, look at that, in the very sought after cracked iced pattern. Now you say, well yes, a Conway Stewart number 30 set, but what are the pens and what are the pencils? Well, as I said, Conway Stewart called this pen and this pencil together the number 30 set, and it consisted of this being the number 18 Conway Stewart pencil. Now let's take you up to the sort of the, well, it's not a barrel imprint, it's a cap imprint, but you'll see to the top there it says, let's keep it nice and still, Conway Stewart number 18. And then if we take you just slightly underneath, you'll see it says Conway Stewart London. And then if we take you towards the clip, I don't know how legible, if you can actually see it, but just under the clip there, it's got made in England, and it's also got a patent number. Okay, so that's the pencil. You can see it comes in gold filled trim. Obviously we've still got this gorgeous cracked ice pattern, two sort of bands, one to the barrel, one to the cap. You can see it's got quite a short Conway Stewart clip with a brass stud to the top there. And as I said, this one is the number 18 pencil. Now the size of the pencil, if you're interested, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, it's approximately, well, I forgot what it was, about 129 millimeters capped. Around the barrel it's 10 millimeters in diameter. And how does it work? Well, you just simply turn the cap, hold on to this sort of cone, and there you go. You can see the lead goes in and out. So that's the pencil. As you know, for me, I'm more of a pen man, so let's show you the pen. And there we have it. Now what we've got for you here is a Conway Stewart number 24. In fact, what I'll do, let me put that to one side. So we've got a Conway Stewart number 24. Now the 24, first of all, is the less common model within the Conway Stewart range. And the beautiful thing about it, as you can see there, doesn't need any introduction. It comes in the very sought after cracked ice pattern. So let's show you the barrel imprint. I don't know if you'll actually be able to see it, although it's clear. It's just a little bit difficult to see with the colouring, but it says the Conway Stewart, and then if I take it up slightly, you should see underneath number 24. So in this particular case, it has the Conway Stewart to the top line. Underneath, it's got the number 24. If we take you just to the bottom of the barrel, looking over the camera just to make sure you can get it in the camera, you'll see it says made in England. Okay, so made in England, 1940s, 1950s. You can see it's got gold-filled trim. You've got the very recognisable Conway Stewart lever there. If we take you up to the cap, you can see in this particular case the 24 has 2 cap bands, and well, the clip doesn't need any introduction. It's got the very recognisable Conway Stewart diamond clip with a diamond logo to the top of the clip, and to the very top of the cap this slightly peaked black stud to the very top. So all in all, a beautiful, handsome fountain pen. As I say, the number 24 is one of the less common model numbers, and as I said before, with the 24 pen and the number 18 pencil together, they make the number 30 fountain pen and pencil set. Let's take the cap off for you. Let's give you some twirls. Excuse me. Okay, now let's take you up to this section, show you the section. Okay, slightly tapered towards the nib. The section is just a plain black section. Let's show you the nib. Let's keep it nice and still for you, and hopefully you can see it reads Conway Stewart 14 karat gold. And what you can't see, it's hidden to the bottom of the nib in the section, is this is the correct number 5 nib. Let's show you a sideways view. Let's show you the very recognisable plain sort of feed to the very bottom there. You can see everything is nice and clean as it should be. I've restored the pen, I've put a new sack in it. It's in superb, excellent condition. As I say, in the very sought after cracked ice. It's actually quite a largish pen, and when I say largish, you'll want to know how large. From the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, it's 130 millimeters. Around the barrel, it's a nice chunky 12 millimeters in diameter. Now, I've put a new sack in it. I don't want to fill the pen because I'll leave that joy to, well, to the lucky owner. But what we'll do, obviously we'd like to see how the pen writes. So if I bring on my ink, undo the cap, I'm just going to simply dip the pen and we'll just do a writing sample. Okay, so what we have, in fact we don't want it to blob, so there we go. So what we have is the Conway Stewart number 24. Okay, as we said earlier, made in England, and we're dating it sort of late 1940s, early 1950s. Excuse me again. A little bit of variation in the line, as you can see there. Let's give it one more dip, do some figure of eights, and there you go. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. So with a little bit of pressure on the downward stroke, we can actually get a nice variation in the line. So let me just wipe everything off with a tissue. Let's pop the cap back on and let's show you a writing sample. A gorgeous, super smooth writer as well, as you'd expect from a Conway Stewart nib. But there you go, writing, I would say, with a medium line, with a little bit of pressure, we can get a little bit of variation, but a lovely smooth writer. So that's the writing sample. Oh, well, as I just showed you earlier, I've not done your writing sample on the pencil, but as you could see, the lead comes in and out, so it's in working order. But as you know, for you people that watch regular, I am more interested in fountain pens, but at the end of the day, it's very nice to be able to find these kinds of pens. So as we said, we've got a Conway Stewart number 24, we've got a Conway Stewart number 18 pencil in an original Conway Stewart box, and if we close that together, it makes the Conway Stewart number 30 pen set, pen and pencil set. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Leave a comment below, don't be shy. Subscribe to my channel as well, and if you possibly can, please support my work. But for now, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.